Why does soft skill development matter so much in the modern world? As the digital age drives a shift in the nature of work, these non-technical interpersonal abilities have become vital keys to success. The first segment of this exploration dives into the realm of effective communication, with a specific focus on oral and spoken abilities. Here, the importance of voice and accent, clarity, modulation, and intonation becomes clear. It's about the way words are stressed, the objectivity in interpersonal and group arguments. It's about mastering the 5 W's and 1 H, who, what, when, where, why, and how, and the 7 C's of communication. Nonverbal communication also plays a crucial role, with pictorial expressions offering a unique window into the unspoken aspects of interaction. Next, the video delves into the concepts of effective communication. It's a multi-layered process involving conviction, confidence, and enthusiasm. Listening too is a crucial part of this process, as it facilitates understanding and empathy. The video also explores the idea of keeping communication short and simple, and the importance of being aware of internal and external barriers to communication, such as motivation and perception. The third segment introduces the importance of self and time management. It's about identifying personal strengths and weaknesses, setting realistic goals, and managing emotions, ego, and pride. The principles of personal and official documentation, punctuality, and the importance of acting on commitments in a timely manner are also discussed. The fourth segment focuses on presentation skills. It takes viewers through the stages of preparation and introduction, while also addressing the importance of feedback and summarization. Next up, the video explores the realm of team building and coordination skills. What makes a team player? How can a group work together effectively? Viewers are introduced to team-building games, role-play, and models of team effectiveness. The final segment of the video delves into group dynamics. It explores group theories, norms, roles, and cohesion. The stages of group development, group thinking, sociometry, and group decision-making are all examined. In summary, this video takes viewers on a journey through the landscape of soft skills. It highlights the importance of effective communication, both verbal and non-verbal. It explores the concepts of self and time management, presentation skills, team building, and group dynamics. By developing these skills, individuals can navigate the modern world with greater confidence and effectiveness. Remember, soft skills may be intangible, but their impact is very real.